Hi, 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 how is everyone today? Sorry, can't sing. I've been suffering a little bit with hay fever and it's gone in my sinuses and it's affecting my throat a little bit. So I do apologise if I'm croaking at you. How are you on this Sunday afternoon? I don't very often come live on a Sunday. So I'm Lisa. I am the singing Scentsy lady. I'm one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my gorgeous daughter Sapphire. And it is absolutely beautiful out there. We have had a glorious weekend. I have been out gardening. My hands are still a bit dry and sore actually from pulling up all the weeds. But I've got so hot. I've come into the office because I've got aircon. So we are in the office cooling down a little bit after the gardening today. And I suddenly remembered I haven't been live with the Whiff box. Now this actually arrived a few days ago and I haven't had chance to open it. It has been a bonkers week. So let's open it together. I'm so excited. I do know. Well, I've had a sneaky few ideas of what's in it. Oh my goodness, now I've got to open the box, haven't I? Oop, can't get it. I will get it open. There we go. I've opened it. Oh, that was hard work. That was a workout just getting into the box. There we go. Sent with love. Ta-da. You know how much I love that bit. There we are. Right. Before we dive in, let's see what Scentsy say. It says, be kind to yourself. How lush is that? How lush is that? We should definitely all be kind to ourselves. Your May Whiff box has hand-picked products to help you focus on self-care during Mental Health Awareness Month. With fragrances to calm, uplift and renew, today's priority is you. I love that. We all need a bit of a pamper and we all need to look after ourselves and treat ourselves. And it is Mental Health Awareness Month this month, which is something close to my heart. I've got a brother who's in assisted living because he has mental health problems. So I do think it's really important that we all find that time to look after ourselves and prioritise ourselves sometimes, and Scentsy is doing that for us this month. Oh my goodness, this box is absolutely rammed. Look at all that. Can you even see it all? Wow. So let's see what we've got in the box. Oh, starting off with one of our body washes. Now this is in the new style. They changed the style of the body wash for this new catalogue season. So starting last month, we had a new style of container. I actually really like this. How cute is that? So the body washes, as with all of our body products, that's the word I was looking for. Oh dear. Brain froze then. Menopausal brain doesn't always want to work. So our body products are very concentrated. So you only need a small amount. But there we go. Look at that. Starburst Sky. Now Starburst Sky is vanilla. Oh, I was going to sniff it straight away and of course it's sealed. But I can tell you it's sweet apple, it's vanilla and it's creamy coconut. Absolutely beautiful. So that is the body wash. Then we have one of our hand soaps. I love these. Again, they last for ages. So I have got I've got one in the upstairs bathroom, I've got one in the downstairs toilet, I've got one at my sink in the kitchen. They are all used daily, all the time. And they last months and months and months. You literally just need one pump and that's enough. You don't need to keep going until you've got a handful of soap. They are very concentrated. So one pump is all you need. They last so long. And this is in Jammy Time. Jammy Time is one of my favourite fragrances. I think this will have to go in my upstairs bathroom. because how lovely to wash your hands with Jammy time just before bed. So Jammy time, drift into dreamland with baby freesia, lavender and sweet pea. It is gorgeous. I often warm Jammy time in the bedroom, one of my favourites to warm upstairs. But yes, so that is in the soap. They're huge, as I say. They're big, big, big bottles. They will last a long, long time. Okay, now pink pineapple and sugar in hand cream. Now our hand creams are flipping amazing. Now I'm not going to open this one because I do happen to have, let me just reach over. I've got one on my desk. This is actually one of our old fragrances. This is Pink Prom. Now our hand creams, oops, I've just squirted it everywhere, are super concentrated, but also they don't leave, I love Pink Prom. It's what, like I say, it's one of our older ones. They are super concentrated. They are really lovely and thick, and they don't leave any greasy residue. Okay, so absolutely perfect. And particularly, so I have one in here. I have one by all of the bathrooms, so the upstairs bathroom, the downstairs loo. I've got one by the kitchen. I have one in my car, because, and one in my handbag actually. I just need to make sure I've got these with me at all times because my hands get quite dry, and getting older, they get a bit wrinkly. So it is really nice to give our hands a beautiful treat. So this is in pink pineapple and sugar, and this is going to be one of our summer fragrances. So palm tree sway over exotic pink pineapple, fresh papaya and crystallized sugar. Absolutely flipping gorgeous. Now, this is a little exclusive because we don't have the body creams very often in the UK. We get them occasionally in the Whiff boxes, or occasionally we get them as specials. They might do a body bundle with one of the body creams in. Look at the size of that. So if you look at the hand cream and then look at the size of that. And like the hand creams, there's no greasiness. It sinks right in. I've got one that I use, and I use it particularly just here. It's really lovely for this area to keep nice and moisturised, especially when you've been in the sun. It's lovely and cooling and moisturising. So this is in water lily and bergamot. I never know how to say that. Bergamot, something like that. And it says bergamot and white musk. Relax next to pools of blooming water lilies. How lovely. I've got water lilies coming in my pond right at the moment. They're just starting to flower, looking gorgeous. I can't wait for them to open up. So yes, you've got some body cream, really lovely luxury body cream. Now this I cannot wait to get my nose into. This is next month's scent of the month. It is Jammin Jubilee. Jammin Jubilee. It says red berry compote and blackberry zest are ready to party with the irresistible, can't read, addition of sugared syrup. So it sounds right up my street. I love blackberry fragrances because they've got that bit of zing. So let's see if it's got a bit of zing. Oh, yes. Yeah, I tell you what, the blackberries hit you straight away. I don't know if you ever go blackberry picking. I don't very often these days. We do have a few that grow in the garden. And when you picked all the blackberries and you've got your basket full of blackberries, that smell, that's just what it is. But it has got a lovely sweetness to it, which is the sugar. We used to have a wax called Sugar, which I absolutely loved. And that kind of, that's like that blackberry smell with the sugar wax. Oh yeah, that is, tell you what, buy the box just to get one of these. Gorgeous. Absolutely flipping gorgeous. So that's Jammin Jubilee. Okay, so there is one more product in our box, and I think this is super cute. Oh, it was heavy. I wasn't expecting it to be heavy. You can relax and have an eye mask. How gorgeous. Let's open it up. So this is a weighted eye mask. Okay. Oh, wow. Love that it's purple. That, of course, makes me very, very happy. Now, I can't really wear it over. Right, let's take the glasses off. Take the specs off. Let's put this on. Oh, okay. Right. Might just have 40 winks while I'm here. Oh, that's lush. What a lovely treat. So you get to relax, lay back. So you're going to have a nice shower with your body wash. Ooh, look at the state of my hair now. I've put that on. Never mind. You don't mind, do you? You don't mind me looking a bit frazzled. So you're going to have a nice shower. There we go. With our lovely body wash. Let me put that in. Then you're going to wash your hands after your shower with Jammy time. You're going to slather your body in a lovely body cream. Obviously, we need our hand cream. All that's going on. We've got our lovely, beautiful Jammin Jubilee wax warming. And then you get to lie down and put your eye mask on. Scentsy have thought of everything, haven't they? Look at that. Let me see if I can... It is really heavy box. And there it is. That is this month's Whiff box. So this is £42, okay? But the value in there is £58. Okay, so that's like getting... Oh, no, you'd get more than that. You'd probably get... I was going to say that's like getting that free, but it's even more than that. So that, and I don't know how much the eye mask is, but you're certainly getting more for your buck. How amazing. If you would like one of these, pop me a message, or I will put the link in here so that you can buy it straight off our website, or I can order for you. Okay, I am going to get back to some gardening, and then I will be using that hand cream without a shadow of a doubt afterwards. So take care, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will speak to you very, very soon. Mwah. Loads of love.